upload sa YouTube and you can watch it again. What will you say? Rico! What will you say when you watch this one in the YouTube?
Because I want to be a monster.
And then, let me see your monster face. Huh? Is that your monster face? Is that your monster face? I'm so scared. You say hi.
Hi.
You say hi, Clay.
I play
Sebastian. Spell your name.
S-E-P-A.
Clay muna.
No,
Play-
no.
play first.
S-E-V-A-S-P-I-A-N. K-N-A-Y.
Ito rin din ha.
T-O-N-E-T-O-N-N-O-N-O-Y.
Ang galing nga, lapit na. T-O
T-O.
L-E
No, T-O.
L-E
No, T-O-N-E.
L. It's L.
L-E.
N-T
N-T.
I-N-O.
I-N-G.
Ah!
I-N-O.
Oh, game you.
Spell daddy. No! Spell Patrick face.
P-A-T-R-I-C-K-F-H-E-L.
How about Patrick face si Tolentino? How about Patrick face si Tolentino?
Hmm?
How about Patrick face si Tolentino?
T-O-L-E-N-T-I-N-O.
Why you say that?
Ha?
My crap is so sticky.
You sticky na?
Yeah.
You hug me? Kiss me nga. You kiss me. Ang galing. I love you, Clay.
Love you.
I will upload this sa YouTube so you can watch it na.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't hurt me. Kasi babay na.
No, I want to.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old. Tolentino. This is Pastor Tolentino.
Ay ko. Kasi babay na.
No.
Babay na.
Ah!
You will ligo na. I will, init water na.
No, I don't want to stay here alone. I want to like this.
Sige, masakit ha. Ay ko, sakit. Babay na.
No!